We're not gonna put it on the whole bait. We're just gonna do this. Now, it takes a minute for it to dissipate. Will it dissipate if it stay in the water long? Absolutely. But on the initial cast and it hit the water, it will not come off. Not this gel, trust me. And you can put all the pieces in one bag and just do one of these numbers. All right, y'all, here we have a takedown rig. Listen, this high vis and this chocolate milk water, high winds. Look at that. That thing, he is fat, ain't he?